afternoon, all my dear students. How are you? I think you are very well. Just you are facing a very dangerous coronavirus now today. That's why you stay at home. And this is very important. You stay at home, but you just start your education, your study now. This is 10th standard year, very important for you. We are taking online classes because our schools are closed, but education is not stopped. That is going on. When I started the 10th standard, when I started that 10th standard year, nowadays that times I just wanted to just show you your 10th standard book, because this 10th standard book is very important. When you see that 10th standard book, you can see that 10th standard book, and this 10th standard book, that times when you see that a front page and a back page, you see a front page. This one is your front page. It's when you see a front page having a one tree is given here. That tree having so many branches here. So one boy is lying here on the branches of that tree, and this boy is reading something else. This in his hand. When you see in your book, on the front page of book, that times you can see here, in his hand there is a book and he is reading that book. Means again you can see here, so many birds are sitting also here. These birds you can see here are some birds, here are also some birds. But this tree having a much of branches. Something is given here. Means that government or any subject expert create this book or create this front page that time, that having some theme, some purpose. Why this front page is given in this way? Why this one is given here branches and a tree and one boy is lying here, is reading a book. Why is given here? So many branches is given here. Means that this boy is reading a much of types of the subjects. That branches, when you see the last page, this last page also given here, you can just only understand. You can now just understand. Yes, here is a one girl is thinking about branches. No, that branch is having some subjects: arts, science, sports, other one social studies, English, then other activities. They have given so many one. Nothing, all the subjects are not given on these branches. But this girl is just only think about that so many subjects. Means this boy is reading all types of the books. He just wanted to acquire all subject knowledge: Marathi, Hindi, English, social studies, then environment, then activity, then craft, then whatever work experience. He just wanted to acquire it, and he is very happy here. He is lying here on the branches. He is reading that book, which I think that I say that he is reading an English book, because from the English book he just wanted to get an idea of all types of that information that is related to our different types of subject, Marathi or Hindi or sports or sports persons, whatever. There are given here. When we see that all the index, that times we can get an idea of that particular subjects. Okay, then I'm not going to take directly first our poem. I'm not taking that one. I just wanted to revise our last year's tenses and voices. Tenses, we just have to take our tenses first and then after voices. You know very well, there are three types of tenses: a present tense, past tense and future tense. Present, past and future. Each tense is having their subtypes. We can write here present tense, past tense and future tense. Three types of the tenses. Present, past and a future. When you write here a 1, 2, 3, when you write here that times, I just wanted to tell about this present tense, means that what happens now, then the past, what happened, then futures, what will happen. This is the meaning of these tenses. Each tense have a present and a past and a future having it there for each types. Present also means that we can say that simple present tense, continuous present tense, perfect present tense, perfect continuous present tense. As like past and future also. Past also have a simple past, then continuous past, then perfect past and continuous perfect past. As like a futures also that same type of subtypes. When we see the only present tense, I just wanted to take only first one present tense and their formulas and their sentences. I want to just take that one. When we see this one a present tense, take a first one a simple present tense. I just first I tell you all the formulas of the present tenses and their sentences, and then after I write here on blackboard. You can just only see here and listen carefully, because you just have to learn it and then you have to write your own sentences. See the first one of present tense. First, simple present tense. What is the formula of simple present tense? Subject, verb, subject plus verb plus object. Object is not necessary for each and every sentence. What is very important? Subject and verb is very important. This one is a simple present tense. Then second one is continuous present tense. Subject plus am, is, are plus V1 ing plus object. What is am, is, are? Am, is, are is the helping verbs. That is very important. Helping means that we can say that in Marathi मदत करणार. मदत करणारे verbs लागतातच आपल्याला. त्याशिवाय मदत जर नाही केली तर सेंटेन्स कंप्लीट होणार नाही. पण am, is, are पैकी आपल्याला एक वापरायचे आणि V1 ing. When there is a V1 verb and that having a joining word ing, that times we can say that a continuous action is going on. A third one we can say that a perfect present tense. From here, perfect present tense. What is the formula? Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. Has have is again to these verbs, that is helping verbs that helps to that particular sentence to have to just complete it. Has have plus V3. V3 is that is V3 is a completeness. That verbs types are given here, V1 and a V2 and a V3 and a V4. That's types of the verbs. You can say that when we write that verbs, that times we just have to change it as V1, V2, V3 and a V4. V1 that in a present tense, we just V2 we uses in a past and a V3 always uses in a perfect. Each perfect tenses, whatever in the future, past and present tense, we have to use that V3. And V4 is, we can say that is a progressive verbs. V1 ing, that is the fourth changes of that verb. See again, that our third is going on perfect present tense. With what is formula? Subject plus has have plus V3 plus object. The last one is also very important. Then what is the continuous perfect present tense? What is that formula? Subject plus has have plus has have. Has have is that has oblique have. You have to use this either has or either have. That is a different one. I told you that when we use this has and when we use this have, when there is a singular, that times we use this has, and when there is a plural, that times we use this have. Has have plus been. B-double-E-N, being plus V1, ing plus object. Again, the last, we can say that last one is very important, because we always confuse on this last one. Because that times V1 ing also is given and been also. Being is that a completeness. Something is completed and something is remained. We just have to see on the blackboard. You just see here and understand. A present tense. first one is again I write this one present tense here. That first, what is the first formula or what is the first type? Present tense. A simple present tense. I just write a very short one. You can write. You don't write in this way. Just I write in this way. Pre and tense. Can write a totally complete sentence. Simple present tense. What is the formula of this simple present tense? That is subject plus V1 plus object. Why V1 is given here? Subject, any subject. You can use any subject. I, we, any pronoun, any noun. You can write here. But we take a very easy one. Yes, I write here a formula of this simple present tense. Subject plus V1 plus object. Object is not each and every time is necessary, but just we have to take here a object. This one is a very important and very useful, very easy way to just memorize our tenses formula. Subject we can take here whatever you like. I, we, any pronouns, any noun also. But I just take a very easy one. I write is a verb. I write a letter. We have to just, we can say that this one is a simple present tense. I write a letter. Then second one is continuous present tense. In Marathi what we say that I write a letter. मी पत्र लिहितो. Second one is given here. Subject plus am plus is plus are plus V1 ing plus object. The formula of this second one, continuous present tense. What is the formula? Subject am is are plus V1 ing plus object. Am is are. This one is given an oblique, means that you have to use this either am, either is, either are. Am, when we use this am, always when there is a are, that times we use this am. Otherwise nothing, we don't use this either am. Is, when there is a singular, that times we use this is. And are, when there is a plural, that times we use this are. Then we have to convert this sentence into continuous present tense. See here, I, as like it is, yes, subject is, as like it is, I, then am is are. What I said that when there is I, that time so we just say am. I am. Then again, V1 ing. What do we have to do here? V1 ing. What is, this one is a V1. Then you have to write here, join here ing, writing, W-R-I-T-I-N-G. Don't write E because this E is not uses as like it is. या ठिकाणी हा E निघून जातो. Writing a letter. बघा, जर आपण हे सेंटेन्स असं घेतलं, I am writing a letter means what? I am writing a letter. मी हे पत्र लिहित आहे. आता मी तुम्हाला आधी सांगितलं, what I said before that, this one is helping verb is very important. When we do not use this helping verb, what is the sentence? I writing a letter. मी पत्र लिहित. एवढं सेंटेन्स होतं. त्याला आहे, होतं, अशा काही गोष्टी लागतात. म्हणून am is very important here. Understood? These are the tools. This is a simple present tense and a continuous present. Let's see the third one. What is the third one? Third one is given here. Perfect present tense. A perfectness is given here. Means, what is the formula? Subject plus has, have plus V3 plus object. V3 is here. You have to, when you just wanted to just uses all that tenses, that times you have to learn all the verbs, types, verbs, changes. You have to V1, V2, V3. You have to learn it. That is very important. जर आपल्याला जर हे टेन्सेस चांगले परफेक्ट करायचे असतील ना, तर वर्बचे सगळे चेंजेस तुम्हाला लर्न पूर्ण पेजच्या पेज आपल्याला वेगवेगळ्या ग्रामर बुक मध्ये पाहिलेलं असेल, त्याच्यामध्ये ते पूर्ण वर्बचे चेंजेस दिलेले असतात, ते जसे तसे पाठ करायचे. पण त्याचे अर्थ सुद्धा तुम्हाला माहिती पाहिजे नाही, ते सुद्धा खूप इम्पॉर्टंट आहे. आता बघा, आय जस्ट रोट हिअर subject has a plus V3 plus object. When we just take this sentence as a learnings, we just use this in this way. Subject has a plus V3. I don't use that has oblique have plus V3. प्रत्येक ज्यावेळेस आपण वर्गामध्ये सगळं पाठांतर देतो, रो वाईज पाठांतर घेतो, त्यास डिरेक्टली आपण म्हणतो. असं डिरेक्टली जरी म्हटलं, पण तुम्हाला हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे की हॅज आणि हॅव आपल्याला कधी वापरायचं ते मी तुम्हाला, आपले हे 4 सेंटेन्स झाले, 4 प्रकार झाले की त्याच्यावर मी ते लिहून देणार आहे. कोणतं कधी वापरायचं तुम्हाला आणि कशा पद्धतीने वापरायचं. आता येस प्लस हॅज हॅव प्लस V3 प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. व्हॉट इज येस? I. When there is I, that times we use this here have. I have. Then V3, return. See here, double T is given here, right? Most students, what they did? Writing. In this way they write here. This one is wrong. Return, you have to use this a double T. Writing, you don't use this a double T. You have to just only write in this way. Second, I have written a letter. Perfect प्रेझेंट टेन्स कंप्लीट झाली आहे, वर्तमान काळामध्ये क्रिया कंप्लीट झाली आहे. आय हॅव रिटन अ लेटर, माझं पत्र लिहिलेलं आहे, लिहिलेलं आहे मी, हे कंप्लीट झाली माझी क्रिया. दॅट्स व्हाय यूज हिअर आय हॅव रिटन. देन अ फोर्थ वन इज अ, वी कॅन से दॅट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस, perfect continuous present tense. You can use there continuous or imperfect or progressive also. कोणतंही नाव तुम्ही या ठिकाणी देऊ शकता. कंटिन्युअस म्हणू शकतात, प्रोग्रेसिव्ह म्हणू शकतात किंवा इम्परफेक्ट म्हणू शकतात. नाव सी द फॉर्म्युला. सब्जेक्ट प्लस हॅज हॅव प्लस बीन प्लस V1 ing plus object. This one here been is important here. Subject has have plus been plus V1 ing plus object. Now changes this sentence into a perfect continuous present tense. I have been writing a letter. बघा, I have been writing a letter. Writing is process going on. Been is completed. How is this possible that one action is going on also and one is completed also? But this one is also uses in this way. Means that I have been, मी बराच वेळपासून पत्र लिहित आहे. बराच वेळपासून म्हणजे बराच वेळापूर्वी, म्हणजे जे काही मी पत्र लिहितोय त्यातला काही भाग माझा, that one is completed. But my letter writing is not completed. माझं ते पूर्ण झालेलं नाही. काही काळ झालेला आहे, काही पूर्ण झालेलं आहे, पण अजूनही ती क्रिया माझी चालू आहे. त्यावेळेस आपण त्या ठिकाणी या गोष्टी वापरतो. आपण जर 4 वर्षापासून जर एखादी गोष्ट शिकत आहोत, फॉर एक्झाम्पल आय हॅव बीन लर्निंग इंग्लिश फ्रॉम 4 years. मी 4 वर्षापासून इंग्लिश हे शिकत आहे. म्हणजे 4 वर्ष, पहिल्या वर्षी मी थोडं शिकलं, दुसऱ्या वर्षी थोडं शिकले, तिसऱ्या वर्षी शिकले, पण 4th year is going on. That times we use this here a perfect continuous tense. I think you understood very well and you know very well also. बऱ्याचशा मुलांना, मोस्ट ऑफ द मुलांना हे सगळं टोटली लर्न आहे. त्यांनी पुन्हा काय करायचे, मे बी दे फॉरगॉट, ते एखाद्या विसरले असतील, ते पुन्हा मेमराईज करायचं, रिकॉल करायचं. यू हॅव टू लर्न करायचे आणि लिहून काढायचे. आता बघा, ज्यावेळेस मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं हॅज हॅव किंवा ॲमेझॉनचे चेंजेस कसे करायचे असतात, मी तुम्हाला ते लिहून देते कशा पद्धतीने तुमच्या वहीमध्ये ते सगळं लिहून काढायचे आणि लक्षात ठेवायचे, लर्न करायचे. See. For example, I uses here am in a continuous tense. Am. When there is a perfectness, in a perfectness, what we have to use here? Have. Then next one is a we. We are. In a perfectness, have. Then you are. Then uses here have. You have. Again he, she, it. That is a third person pronoun. This one is a third person pronoun. That is third person pronoun is we can say the singular one. हे singular असतात. At times we have here he is and he has. This one we have to use is in this way. Last one is remaining a they. I write here. See here. They. There is a plural also. That's why we use here they are. And this one is a plural also. They have. I think you can see here. You just only read it, listen carefully and write this chart in your notebooks and just only learn it. Again, then I'll give you some sentences for the changes of the present tense. Write down the sentences for your homework. See the first one. For example, they bring banana. They bring banana. This one is given in a simple present tense. You have to change it to continuous present, perfect present and continuous present, continuous perfect present tense. You have to change only three types because one is given here. Second one, I clean the class. Then the third one, Ram. This is given here a proper noun. See here, Ram goes to school. This one is not given here an object, but you have to change it as just only a verb. See here a verb, how this verb is used. Goes when there is a simple present tense. That times we have to use this here a yes or es for the verb. That's why Ram is that who? He. That he. Ram is a third person pronoun. That's why we use here es. Go is a verb. Go ला या ठिकाणी काय लागला es लागला. थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन असल्यामुळे या ठिकाणी काय लागलेला आहे es लागलेला आहे. 3 sentences are given here for your homeworks. Now हे जे काही 3 सेंटेन्स मी तुम्हाला दिले ते तुम्हाला प्रेझेंट टेन्सच्या पुढच्या 3 ह्याच्यामध्ये सिंपल प्रेझेंट ऑलरेडी गिवन हियर सिंपल प्रेझेंट दिलेला आहे. पुढच्या 3 ह्याच्यामध्ये तुम्हाला ते कन्वर्ट करायचे आणि तो अभ्यास मला पाठवायचा. यू हॅव टू लर्न इट आणि ते सगळे फॉर्म्युले तुम्हाला काय करायचे लर्न करायचे. यू हॅव टू दॅट फॉर्म्युले अगेन आणि ते फॉर्म्युले मी जे दिले ते सगळे लिहून पण काढायचे. चार्ट ऑल्सो यू हॅव टू राईट. जो चार्ट दिलाय तो सुद्धा तुम्हाला लिहून काढायचा आहे लर्न करायचा आहे. हा आपल्या आजच्या सेशनचा तुम्हाला दिलेला अभ्यास आहे. आता पुढचे जे काही फॉर्म्युले ते उद्याच्या सेशनला मी बघणार आहे. ओके नाव बाय बाय ऑल ऑफ यू. थँक यू. स्टे हॅपी स्टे सेफ.